Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We find ourselves on a midday Thursday, and we are fortunate enough to be joined by somebody donating a lot of their time to this show to help answer a whole lot of questions that we all have during the pandemic. It is the Crawford County Health Officer. His name is Dr. Tim Stebbins. Doctor, I want to thank you, number one, for joining us this morning, and I'm going to jump right into it. I'm hearing a phrase that is called vaccine hesitancy. I hear that being thrown around a lot. I don't know what it is. Can you kind of describe that for us?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the main things that we're trying to get out right now is the vaccine, in an effort to get back to normalcy on our life and defeat this COVID-19 virus. We have got to get people vaccinated. Through the state of Kansas and Missouri, we're doing better with respect to our case numbers and overcoming this virus. But the problem that we're having now is early on, we had a very motivated group of persons that wanted to be vaccinated, the 65 and older. They were the high risk, highly likely to be injured or killed by COVID-19. And they accepted the vaccine quickly. They were in line to get it done. Now we've completed that group mostly. We're about 80% complete in Crawford County of those that, and that's probably those that want it. We've got them done. But now we're into the younger age group, and we're finding vaccine hesitancy in that 25 to 45-year-old age group, meaning that's the group that knows that it's out there, that knows that there's a vaccine available, but they're hesitant to get it for a variety of reasons.
Okay, Dr. Stebbins, tell me why. What are you hearing? What are you hearing personally and professionally? Why are they hesitant?
So some of it is, things are looking better, so I'm probably just going to wait. I think things are settling down, and I don't need to be a part of that vaccine group. Some of it is we don't know how long the vaccine lasts. We don't know what the long-term effects are. There's a lot of theories related to vaccine that are complete, trash, if I could be frank.
No, I appreciate your honesty.
And some people just don't like getting shots. They're a busy group, right?
Yeah.
And so trying to get the shots.
But you say they're a busy group, but at the same point in time, vaccine availability, it appears here in the 4 states, really hasn't been a problem. Correct me if I'm wrong on that.
No, in fact, we've got 2,000 doses sitting waiting to be given right now in Crawford County. That we're trying to get out. The busy group is also part of my concern because the most mobile group that we have is that group. You can do 18 to 45. They're the ones that get out the most. They touch both the children and the older adults in their life because that's, they're kind of in that middle group. They travel the most. They're most likely to get it and transmit it. They may not be as sick as the older group, but they can sure bring it to somebody that can die from it.
Dr. Stebbins, I'm going to ask you a huge favor right here because when you talk about the mobility of that age group, can you stick around and maybe join us here in the next half hour with some additional questions I may have?
Absolutely.
Okay,
absolutely.
Dr. Tim Stebbins, Crawford County medical officer right there. Doctor, I'm going to rejoin you in just a second. We got a hard break coming up. We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.